Looking to earn income online, but don't want to blow your budget on ads that may never work? Let's be honest. Most ad platforms are built to take your money before you even see results. If you're brand new, that's a losing game. But what if there was a way to build a real income stream without spending anything on ads? This beginner-friendly system is designed for people just like you. People who want to start earning online without wasting time or money on trial-and-error traffic methods. You don't need to be a marketing pro. You don't need to write ads or build complicated funnels. Everything is pre-built, and you get coaching included for free. You plug and you're set to go. No tools to buy. No autoresponders to configure. No fancy software. If you can follow instructions and show up, you can do this even on your coffee break or at lunchtime. You might be thinking, can this really work without paid traffic? The answer is yes, because the system leverages proven, evergreen methods to get eyes on your offer without spending a cent. Beginners with no audience and no experience are seeing results. Why? Because they're not reinventing the wheel, they're following a system that's already working. Here's what you get: 98% of the setup done for you. Step-by-step guidance, real human support, and the best part, you never touch paid traffic. You follow simple steps to success. If you're ready to start making money online without ad costs, now's your moment. Tap the link below to access the system and launch in just a few clicks, and you will be smiling, giving a thumbs up as well.